Ma'am Mitch, yours na to, Ma'am Mitch, SK1 Lime. Salamat. Ma'am Tripty Chick, SK1, Lime, Orange, and Royal Blue. Anong size mo, ma'am? Lime, Orange, Royal Blue. What's your size, Ma'am Tripty Chick? Meron tayong medium, 27-28 waistline, large, 29-30, XL, 31-32, 2XL po natin, 33-34 po, and 3XL po natin, 35 and 36 waistline, ma'am.
Yes.
Pero iisang presyo lang po tayo, ma'am. Normal size po tayo hanggang big size po. Same price lang po tayo, mga ma'am. Okay, 3 kulay sa'yo, ma'am. Tripty Chick, maraming salamat. Medium. Okay, ma'am. Oo, ma'am Althea, ganun pa rin po yung ating gawi. Basta bayad kayo after invoice, pre-air shipping po kayo. O, dahil March 20, April 3 po ito, mga madam. April 3 ang ETA to Philippines. Okay, mga madam. Yours na to, ma'am Tripty Chick, 3, medium. Long short, pink, XL, ma'am Aynita. Asan yung long short natin? Long short. Ay, ma'am, meron yung BKK short natin, ha. Ang pinaka-best seller natin, BKK short. Ayan, kung kayo miss nyo yung BKK short nyo, for only 599 pesos. Ayan, BKK short brown, BKK short green, mine, BKK short red, ay, ano to? Parang red na parang orange, bright red. Red, BKK short royal, BKK short lime, thank you sister, lime, BKK short hot pink, BKK short ivory, BKK short purple, BKK short color white,
BKK short
color white, ma'am, BKK short black, and Choco BKK short.
Choco.
Okay, long short pink, do you have? Walang long short pink, ma'am Aynita. Ma'am May Hana, ano po sa'yo, ma'am? SK1 lime medium, ma'am May Hana, yours. SK1 lime. Lime medium, yours na to, ma'am May Hana. Salamat po. Super ganda ng fit, kaya mine ulit ng ibang colors. Wow, thank you, ma'am Clarissa. Ayan, nag-mine si ma'am Clarissa ulit ng suot ko 3 colors kasi nagustuhan niya ang fitting ng ating Shana Palda. Shana Palda po. Salamat po. Sa Petron sila nag-date. Mahal niya din. Ayan, ma'am. Navy, ma'am Myra Navarra, noted po. Noted, ma'am May Hana, meron ka na. SK2, ito yung color na SK2, ma'am. SK2, palda rin po siya, ma'am. May short siya sa loob. SK2, polka black. SK2, polka white. SK2, ano ba code nito kanina? Gray. SK2, black. SK2, white. Mine, SK2, charcoal. SK2, light. Light. Charcoal, SK2 white, kamusta ka be? SK2 black, SK2 gray, SK2 polka white, SK2 polka black. Labaw be. SK2 yung code. Next, hingin mo ako ng trouser B. Ito po yung wide leg natin. Yung wide leg. Ito po yung wide leg natin, ma'am. Kaso si wide leg po, 40 inches po yung haba. 899 pesos lang po. Ito po yung wide leg natin. Madam Shana, only for the wide leg now. Dark gray. Okay po. Ito, ma'am, 899 lang po yung ating wide leg. WL, dark gray. WL, brown. WL, choco. WL, color black. WL, color green. Wide leg pants, ma'am, trouser pants, wide leg. 40 inches po yung haba, ma'am. 40 inches, pwede niyong ipa-fold, ma'am. Yung white. Sis, patingin color ng trouser. Ito po yung trouser natin, ma'am. Ma'am Ruby, 36 inches po yung length ng trouser. Perfect yung trouser, ma'am. Ayan, 799 lang to, ma'am. Okay, 899 trouser. Trouser choco. Trouser color white. Trouser color gray. Trouser color maroon. Trouser green. Trouser royal blue. I want to try the color white. Trouser color brown. Trouser ivory. Trouser black. And maraming color ng trouser, mga ma'am. Black po yung pants. Ang sizes po natin, ma'am, medium 27-28, large 29-30, XL 31-32, 2XL 33-34, 3XL 35-36. Ma'am Ma'am Mary Ann Austria, yours na po si Palda Ivory. Palda Ivory, yours yung suot ko, ma'am. Ma'am Mary Ann Austria, yours. Ma'am Mary Ann Austria, Ivory Large. BKK Short Lime 3XL, Ma'am Rubina Ho. Ma'am Rubina Ho, yours na po ito. BKK Short. Okay, Lime, yours na po 3XL. Ma'am Rubina Ho, maraming salamat po. Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat, mga madam. Okay, comment nyo na lang po yung code nyo. SK2 Polka Black, si Ma'am Jen Centino. Ma'am, may size tayo, ma'am. Ano pong size nyo po? What's your size? What's your size? WL Light Gray XL. WL Light Gray. Ano to, ma'am? Dark Gray. Dark Gray. Sukatin ko lang po yung ating trouser, ma'am. I will try the trouser. Sige. Ilan piraso daw? Sukatin ko lang po si trouser, ma'am. Trouser po natin, ma'am, ay 899 pesos lang, ma'am. Kaso, ma'am, yung trouser natin, 36 inches yung length. 5'8 ako, medyo bitin sa akin, ma'am, ha.